Okay, Aunt Jackie, you really did that. This is lit. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my May 2020 Curlbox unboxing, as well as a product review on all the products that I received this month. So if you guys do not know what Curlbox is, it's a monthly subscription box that you pay $25 a month, and they send you at least 4 new curly hair products. I think that's an amazing deal. I would say it ranges between usually like 5 or 6 products, but you're definitely going to get at least 4 hair products. So it's definitely worth the money. And if you like to, get new products and try new things out, this is definitely the investment for you. If you guys don't like, paying that much money every single month, they do have non-subscription boxes, but those prices do range. It's not always going to be $25. It could be $30 or it could be $40. But those boxes are also pretty cool. I've gotten a few myself. But okay, let me just get into this video. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Alright. So this is what the box looks like. Every month it's going to be a big pink box that says Curlbox's name on it. And when you open it, they usually send a pamphlet of information that I will, show you guys a little bit. They gave us a scarf this month and it says Aunt Jackie on it. And then when you open up the box, boom, your hair products. So this is some model looking cute, and when you open it, it's just a summary of the box itself. It's called The Greatest Hits. And it's Aunt Jackie, my good sis Aunt Jackie. I also got this pamphlet. It says the collections, and it's all of Aunt Jackie products and their lines, and a little brief description on them. This line right here, their grapeseed line, is popping. It's honestly the only line that I've actually had besides their flaxseed line, which I was not a fan of. But Aunt Jackie got some good products, so you should look into them. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys show you guys what the products are, and then later on in this video I'll give you a more in-depth description of them, as well as my honest opinion on them for my hair. Okay, so the first product in the box that I see is this, and this is from their Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes line. It's called Slicked. It's a flexible styling glue, so it gives you superior hold. It's moisturizing. It's for molding and sculpting, so you can do your hair and your edges with this. So yeah. The next thing in here is their Coco Wash. It says it's from their Coconut Cream Recipes line, and it's coconut milk conditioning cleanser. So it's going to thoroughly clean your hair, condition it, and soften dry, brittle hair. Then we have from their Flaxseed Recipes line, Fix My Hair. It's an intensive repair conditioning mask. Looks like this. And then we have Quench. It's a moisture. That's what it says. I don't think there's a line to it, unless Quench is the name of the line. I don't think so though. But this is their moisture intensive leave-in conditioner. So it's ultra hydrating, and it's deep moisturizing therapy. And then the last product in the box is their Coconut Cream Recipes line. Oh, okay. These are the same. From the same line, the Coconut Cream Recipes line. It's a buttercream intensive moisture sealant. So, intensive moisture. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 products this month, and I can't wait to use them. Most of the products, as I was reading them, it seemed to be, saying intensive moisture, super hydrating, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be expecting my hair to look moisturized, be super feeling good, soft, and everything like that when I use these products. So stay tuned for the review. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Coco Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. And the directions say to obviously thoroughly wet your hair and apply it into your hair while gently massaging your scalp and your hair, but do not vigorously shampoo. So this isn't a shampoo, so when I use it, I'm just gonna mainly, like, you know, focus on the buildup in the front and then, you know, detangle my hair with it. So when I get back, I will have already washed my hair, and I'll show you guys what my hair is looking like and see if I like it. Alright, so I just got out the shower. This is my hair, still wet. No product, just the Coco Wash is what I used in the shower. My opinion on this product is that it definitely does clean your hair. It lathers really well when you put it in your hair. Like, the more you apply, the more soap, like the more suds you will see in your hair. It says that it's supposed to thoroughly clean it, condition, and soften your hair. So my hair is feeling soft and definitely, you know, not dry and conditioned. So I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10, because the only thing I didn't like was that when I first put it on my hair and I was applying it through, I felt like my hair wasn't getting clean. I don't really like that feeling, like when my hair feels like it's dirty still. But then, like, once I rinsed it off, like rinsed out the co-wash, it felt clean. So I'll just give it a 10, because there was really nothing wrong with it and it smelled good. So the next thing that I'm going to be using is the Flaxseed Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. It says that it's going to repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine, moisturize, and condition dry, brittle hair. So the directions say to apply it basically. If you want to use it as an intensive treatment, cover your hair and go under a dryer, or you can just use it as a regular rinse out, and we would only leave it on for 5 minutes. I don't see myself using it as a regular rinse out. I'm gonna use it as a deep conditioner. So with that being said, I'm going to apply this into my hair, and, you know, we'll see what it does. I'll show you guys how I apply my deep treatments. It's pretty basic. It's just like how you would apply products, honestly. But I'm gonna start in the back, and I suggest to have, like, even though I just got out the shower, I'm still gonna have my water bottle on deck, because I like my hair to be soaking wet when I do anything with it. Alright. Oh, I smelled this before. Doesn't really have a smell. I mean, there is a fragrance to it, but it's nothing like I can describe. So I'm gonna put it on my hair. So I just applied the deep conditioner to my whole head, and we're just gonna see if it fixes my hair. So I'm gonna put on a shower cap, and I'm gonna use a heated hair cap, and I'm gonna warm it up and leave it on my hair for at least 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna have it in a little bit longer, because, you know, who leaves a deep conditioner in for the given time? Like, I'd be falling asleep in mine. But yeah, when I get back, I will have already rinsed out my hair, and we're gonna see what it does, how my hair likes it, and if it look good. Okay, so I have rinsed out the deep conditioner, and my first, you know, reaction to it is that my hair is really soft. It looks shiny, and, you know, the container says that it's supposed to strengthen strands and restore vibrancy, and I can definitely say that my hair looks more vibrant than it did when I had just used the co-wash. So if I had to rate this product, I would give it a 10, because it did its job. It did what it said it was going to do on the container, and I feel like, you know, boom. So the next two products that I'm going to show you guys my reaction to is the Quench leave-in treatment and the coconut cream intensive moisture sealant. These are in this box, these were the only products that I could use as like a wash and go method. So I'm gonna combine them. I'm not gonna use any creams or gels in my hair, just the leave-ins. I want to see if my hair is gonna be defined and, you know, just give me what I want in a wash and go. Alright, so they both have directions on to just apply it root to tip, which is generally how you would apply any type of product. The only thing is that the moisture sealant one, the coconut cream, says to focus it on your ends, so I'm definitely going to focus that one on my ends more than just like the overall hair strands. Coconut cream, it's thick. It's thicker. Okay, so, ooh, it looks good. So I basically, after I applied the products, I had kind of like I stopped filming for a little bit. So my hair now is about, I'm gonna say 50% dry. The front strands, like right up here, they're a little damp at the ends, but for the most part, my hair is looking great, period. Okay, wow. I'm actually kind of shocked that this is the results that I'm getting, especially since, you know, I didn't use any other products besides a leave-in conditioner. Like, okay, Aunt Jackie, you really did that. This is lit. I like it. Okay, so I still have one more product to show you guys. It's the Slicked. Alright, so in order to do the style that I want to do, I just took a front section and I think I'm just gonna do a ponytail because I don't want to mess up my hair too much, but I want to just see how the Slicked this works. So let me read the directions. Just FYI, I know I keep saying in this video, let me read the directions. It's because I want to use the products accordingly. Not necessarily saying every time I do my hair I'm like reading instructions like, okay, it says to do this. But, you know, for the video, I want to make sure I'm doing everything the proper way so that I can give you guys the most efficient, you know, review. So it says, best when used sparingly. Okay, so don't use a lot. On dry or light damp hair, squeeze onto the hands, use your fingers to apply, and, you know, do what you gotta do with it. So, I'm gonna use a little. Okay. I'm gonna use a little bit. Okay, the sun is really, I'm just not even gonna show you. I just got a little teardrop. That's the word I was looking for. Teardrop. It just looks to me like regular gel, but I'm gonna do my edges with it. I actually have been looking for a new edge control because my go-to edge control is Style Factor, but you know, I need to venture off. We're gonna try this as edge control, and hey, this might be my new fave edge control. I might not even use it as like a gel to slick my hair, but you know, a 2-in-1 is always good. So to do my edges, I'm gonna look in the mirror. I'm going to take about the same amount. This is like what I used the first time. Not even this much, but I'm gonna take the gel and I'm gonna apply it to my edges. This is, you know, the finished effect for me. I look like a lion. I feel like I look like this is my mane. But with that being said, The gel, it did a pretty good job on my edges. It looked good. Everything that I have to say about this line is just, well, not about this line, but my Curlbox itself, it's just doing its thing. I loved every single product that I reviewed for you guys. I'm going to say that I didn't really talk to you guys about the leave-in because I stopped filming, but I liked the Quench one a lot better, I think, than the coconut cream one, because I like the consistency. So the Quench one, like I said, is very liquidy, so when I applied it to my hair, it kind of felt like I was using like some water-based product, and I just felt like it was really, like, I feel like that would be the main reason that my hair actually is looking this good. For the coconut cream one, I'm gonna say that you know, it's very moisturizing. I feel like when you use thicker products, you're really getting more of a moisturizing effect. But overall, they are both really good. I would definitely be using the Quench one on a regular basis. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, I guess you can dislike it, but I don't know why you wouldn't like it. I mean, I'm a good time. But with that being said, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for more videos, and if you have any requests, leave them down in the comments below. I look at all of my comments. I love when people comment and like show me that they actually love the content that I'm bringing out, because it just motivates me to want to do more. So, you know, that's it. See y'all.